Adaptive learning. Maybe it's not so terrible that students are constantly checking their likes on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Seeking instant feedback could be a significant access when it comes to study with the help of technology. According to the impact of technology on college students' study habits, which is McGraw-Hill Education's third and annual survey on the study trends. According to this McGraw-Hill report, 87% of college students say that they have access to the data analytics regarding to their academic performance can have a positive impact on their learning experience. The survey also focused on adaptive learning technology, which asks students to answer questions related to the material and then presented personalized feedback to help them study more efficiently. 75% of students using adaptive learning technology reported that this is very helpful or extremely helpful in allowing them to retain new concepts. 68% reported that it makes them more aware of previously unfamiliar concepts. 84% of students using adaptive learning technology indicate a moderate of major improvement in their grades. Study with technology also increased student engagement with course material. Additionally, 67% of students say technology makes them feel better prepared in class, while most students are turning to mobile devices, while their study through laptops still dominated. 86% of students report using laptops often or all of the time. 57% of students report using smartphones as frequently, and 85% agree it would be impossible to study in their perform space if not for one of those devices. These are telling statistics about the technological edges and education. The study includes response from 2,657 college students enrolled in U.S. institutes. It was captured by Hanover Research. Adaptive learning is also involved of many generations, as we should know that the first generation start with the rule base. And then the second generation is the simple machine learning, which is have start the complicated of the networking. The third generation is called deep learning, which is not only the complexities of the networking, but is also the connection between the complexity. And the fourth generation is the adaptive learning, which is not only the application, but is also human connect to each other and in the more complicated network. It has been studied and found that if you're using the machine learning, the efficiencies of the learning gonna increase about 60%. For the deep learning, the achievement of learning is go up until nearly 70%. And for the adaptive learning, the efficiencies of learning are increased up until 95% approximately. So I'm going to detail you about the last technology, that is the augmented reality. Augmented reality is the digital technology that overlays text, image, or video over physical objects. At its core, Augmented reality provides all types of information such as location, heading, visual, audio, and accelerator data, and opens an avenue for real-time feedback. To describe how it works, we should look at these 3 steps. Step 1. Reader hold phones in the front of the printed pages. Step 2. An AR app searches for image and pattern on a server. And the last step, application validates image and send back to the associated contents. The value proposition of augmented reality is bring you the new content channel for consumers. Consumers also interact in both digital and physical worlds. Is the mobile native and convergence of social location content. Highly inexpensive, interactive, and targeted. Extend life of direct mail campaigns. More measurable, trackable results from direct mail campaigns. High emotional repeat engagement. What's next for the augmented reality? Yes, of course. The augmented reality already integrates with the smart glasses and beyond. For example, Google Glass, which is the features of the augmented reality that can display worn on the user head like a pair of glasses and requires no special action to start up the augmented reality activity. Another band is WUSIC, which is the monocular augmented reality prototype for the industrial use. These are key competitors of the augmented reality, which can be categorized into local-based info, interactive print media, shopping, and games, and also enhanced print marketing campaigns. So all these logo, if you search, you will see more augmented reality projects, and most of them can be the augmented reality creator. So thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy this information.